Today we would like to congratulate the team of Home Service Solution for their nomination as a Master Installer.
Guys, thank you so much for being such a great partner for all those years. Thank you for trusting Alu-Rex, trusting our product as your standard in the industry. It means a lot. It means that you care about the quality of the job you provide to your homeowner and the proudness that you have for your company. Very, very happy to count you as a Master Installer. Congratulations again. This is the biggest nomination you can have from Alu-Rex.